The biggest gainer in today's losing session for the Dow was Caterpillar. The giant equipment maker reported earnings and revenues that topped analyst estimates. Shares surged nearly 6% on that news. Morgan Brennan has more on what drove Cat's strong quarter and why investors are buying in.
With profit up almost 50% from a year ago, Caterpillar, the world's largest maker of mining and construction equipment, blew past analysts' expectations. Some are saying the better-than-expected numbers represent a watershed event for a company that's struggled in recent years.
Mining is weak and remains weak, but the other two parts, power systems, construction, will more than offset it. And even with some headwinds, you're going to have a better year in 2014. This really changes the outlook for Caterpillar to a much more positive scenario for the next couple of years.
Because Cat's heavy machinery supplies a variety of industrial needs across the globe, it's considered a good early indicator for the global economy. Cat's good numbers are particularly encouraging after the drop in demand since 2012, taking the stock down about 6% over the past year and more than 20% over the past two. Demand for Caterpillar products may be coming back, especially in North America, where construction is beginning to rebound. But the earnings also reflect aggressive cost-cutting measures. Caterpillar has cut almost 10,000 jobs in the past year and slashed inventory levels. The company's profits also shine a spotlight on China, where recent data is fueling worries about the health of the world's second-largest economy. Even so, Caterpillar says sales and revenues in China grew 20% last year, and analysts note that its exposure to the country remains relatively small.
China is a pretty small portion of the overall Caterpillar business. It obviously affects their mining business quite a bit. If we can just get some stability in emerging markets, I think that's where you could see the stock really perform pretty well.
But these headwinds may not keep the stock down for long. Shares of Caterpillar hit their highest level since late 2011 during today's trading. And with the company planning to buy back another $10 billion worth of stock, a number of analysts continue to rate it a buy. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan.